Welcome to Infurcon Automation. Thank you for your valuable inquiry with us. Hope you are safe and good. Now, we would love to give you a demonstration on the Siemens PCS7 controller, and the support that you'll acquire from us. So here you can see our Siemens control panel. The Siemens controller we have is Siemens S7 400. The model number of this controller is CPU4143DP. The first module is your power supply module. Then the second module is your controller. And in addition to that we have our I/O modules which will be connected in a certain order, which goes like analog input, analog output, digital input and digital output. So the digital outputs from the DO module will be connected to the relays for electrical switching. And the other module channels will be connected to the terminal blocks before connecting to the field devices. Here the analog output channels will be connected to the fuse terminal blocks before connecting to the field devices. In addition to that we have connected the I/Os to a real-time operator panel where you will be able to have hands-on experience with the I/Os. Here we have connected the digital inputs to the push buttons and toggle switches. And we have connected the digital outputs to the lamp and the operator panel. And also we have 4 to 20 mA signal generator for analog input configuration. Going on to the software of Siemens DCS, which is called as SIMATIC Manager. So in the software, we'll be teaching you the configuration of I/Os and also the functioning of program using functional block diagram. In addition to that, we'll also give you a clear-cut understanding of designing the SCADA and integrating the SCADA with the controller. And thank you for your valuable time. Hope this demonstration has given you a better clarity. Looking forward to have wonderful sessions with you.